Hello and welcome back. Today in this quick video I will share with you how to reset or how to factory reset this type of Chromebook. So first I have to turn off it. Wait 10 seconds. I need these two buttons, skip and reset. I have to hold these two buttons 10 seconds and then I have to press power button. So I will do it. Skip button, reset button and then power button. When screen turn on, then I have to release this all two button. When appear this type of logo, this is Chinese Japanese language. Okay, I have to change language, English. Please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card. Now I have to press Ctrl and D and then I have to press enter. It will be reboot. Now your system is being cleaned. Here you have to choose language. Now I will try to find where is right English. This is English language and also US keyboard and then OK. Then press get start. You have to connect Wi-Fi. Now there is a 2-3 option for personal use, for child. Now I'm using for my personal use. Or there is another option, browse as a guest. Just simply press browse as a guest and now it will be able to use, and then I press accept. Now my Chromebook is ready for use. Here is it. This is the Google. Now everything is clear. Thanks for watching this video. If my video is helpful, please share with your friend.